Welcome and hello. This is a video tutorial on HEC MetVue, and in this lesson, all I'm going to talk about is downloading and installing the program. So if you already have it downloaded and installed, by all means, go ahead and skip ahead to another video in this playlist. HEC MetVue is the Hydrologic Engineering Center's meteorological visualization utility engine. It facilitates viewing and manipulating of meteorological data sets, as well as performing a variety of computations and analyses, including temporal spatial aggregation of data sets and aerial average computations. Okay, so here's the main website. I will leave a link to this website to download in the description of this video. Actually, I'll leave a link to the downloads page, which is right here. If you click on the left menu, downloads, here we go. If for some reason that link doesn't work, you can always go to Google, type in HEC MetVue, and then it will be your first hit right here, most likely, and downloads. I was motivated to learn this program myself when learning HEC HMS, and I had a data set and I couldn't go up to view and edit. It told me to use program MetVue, and same is true when I went to validation edit, use MetVue. So I'm going to be using MetVue. Let's go ahead and click that download link. This is for Windows users. It says Windows 10. I'm using Windows 11. I think it's going to work anyway. If you don't have a Windows device, I'm not sure there's an option for you here. Okay, so it downloaded fine. And there's a little icon here. I'm going to click that. My camera turned off and turned back on. It asked me if I wanted to allow MetVue to make changes to my computer. I said yes. There was a progress bar. Now I'm going to go ahead and click next and agree to the terms. Next. Specify the location I want it to install. That's fine. Next. Next. If you want a desktop shortcut, you can go ahead and check that checkbox. And then finally click the install button. Wait for a few more progress bars here. Okay, it looks like it installed. I'll click finish. All right, let's go ahead and launch the program and make sure it works. And now it's loading up. All right. So what we have on the screen here is our HEC MetVue. We're ready to rock and roll. One last thing I want to mention before we move on and actually get started is on this website, there's also a link on the left menu for documentation. Go ahead and click that and then download the user's manual. This is for version 3.0. We installed 3.1. If we need to install 3.0, we can always go ahead and do that. But you can download this PDF file based on whatever browser you're using. Just click the save or download button and then save that PDF file of the user's manual to a convenient location for you. I'll be referencing this user's manual in later lessons in this playlist. All right, well, that was it for downloading and installing HEC MetVue.